Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Temple by Hilton Times Square Hotel. So this is, as the title suggests, right in Times Square. This is a newer brand for Hilton, this Temple brand. I guess more of a lifestyle brand. So once you do enter the hotel, the lobby is here on the 11th floor. So you'll take it from the ground floor up to here. So this is where you'll check in. Have some nice views up here. Actually, to the right down this way is the restaurant, so that's where you have breakfast. So let's take a look at the skyline view suite. Okay, so this is the King Suite with the skyline view at the Temple by Hilton Times Square. So excited to check out this brand. This is one of the newer Hilton brands, I guess lifestyle brands. So here you've got a place for your luggage. You've got hangers. So again, you know it's a good use of space there. You've got the safe down here. So no real closet, but that's fine. Got the coffee maker. And I do like the design. Again, this was an upgraded room. Originally booked just a king bed, and was upgraded to the king suite, which was a nice touch. Upgraded to the king suite with the skyline view. So this is pretty high up category-wise that we passed. So you do have a fridge down there. Here you got a mirror, lamp. So you do have a desk, a working desk. Now, I want to point out this hotel does have the resort fee, but it's actually useful. So this is the benefit. So you get a $34.95 food and beverage credit. So it can be used at Highball, I think that's the bar, in the hotel sundry. The good thing is you can combine this. So as a Diamond member, I've got $18 per person, so $36 for breakfast. You can actually combine the two and use it all at breakfast, so like $71. So that's not a bad deal, actually, especially when we'll go out tonight using the Amex Platinum Resi credit. So it's a good way to use credits, make them useful. I really like the color of that couch. Got a table that sits really low. That's a nice welcome for a Hilton Honors Lifetime Diamond. So it's nice to see. In case those Lifetime Diamond members are wondering about the treatment. So here you've got a little glass cabinet, but like the fixtures, you've got an excellent view up here of the Edition Hotel and probably what's the penthouse suite over here, I'm guessing. Some kind of penthouse suite, but lovely view of the Edition in a real hotel. So you see that skyline view is good. This isn't the panoramic suite, which is, I believe, the best room in the hotel. So here you've got the drape and sheer controls, lighting controls. Here's your king bedroom. Let's see if they've got plugs. Oh yes, USB-C port, standard port. Again, you can control drapes, shears from there too. And this looks to be maybe a MagSafe charger with a USB-C port also. MagSafe wireless. So another TV here. Nice rustic bench. This looks like gold. Like it come off in your hand, and got a chair here. And again, more of that view, more of that lovely skyline view as you're right at Times Square here. So you're in the thick of the touristic things. Here you've got some extra blankets, another space for luggage, another safe, so two safes if one isn't enough, and a bathroom. Yeah, really nice. You got a clock there in the mirror. Little dental kit, some mouthwash, and Apothecary Brooklyn. So I've seen that in multiple places. So the temple uses the apotheke. No, let me know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't think I am. Got these brass fittings on the shower, rainfall shower. So yeah, really nice room. I didn't come in expecting much, but yeah, it's a nice surprise so far with the room. So we'll see how the rest of the stay goes. So this is the King Suite skyline view at the Temple by Hilton Times Square. Yeah, I did enjoy the suite. Also enjoyed the happy birthday wishes sent up with a bottle of wine from the hotel. Again, this was the last hotel on our around the world trip. Gym is well equipped. Gym is well equipped. Gym is on the 18th floor. I did get a little crowded when I wanted to use it, but again, it's got modern equipment. It doesn't feel like it's a 1970s gym in a closet, so not bad. No pool at this hotel, but can't complain about the gym. Location wise, this hotel is in a good spot. Here's the breakfast menu, as I mentioned before about that credit, so you can use the resort fee plus the $18 per person credit, which gets you $71. So that was enough to cover our meal at the hotel. And honestly, yeah, I really like this. I'd like to see a Temple hotel outside of Times Square to see what it's like. You know, I guess this might be more of a flagship Temple by Hilton, but I'd like to see what it's like outside of New York City.